Right.
So I'll stop on in and out.
Okay, so we've talked a bit about doing some data analysis using R already, but sometimes you're going to want to be able to repeat what you've done, and you can do that by creating functions. So what they allow is you can create the same block of code without copying and pasting, and it makes your code clearer and less repetitive, and it removes any errors that might be introduced by copy and pasting. So functions generally consist of the name of the function. There's usually at least one argument, then there's a body of code and a return value. Okay, so the way that we define functions in R is first of all, so I'm going to create a function which converts Fahrenheit to Kelvin, and the way that we define functions in R is firstly to assign them to a name. So there's the name of the function, that's the assignation arrow, and then we call function, and then within the brackets we need the name of the argument. So this will be what you input to the function to, so it will be the Fahrenheit value that you want to convert to Kelvin. Okay, and then the body of code will go within curly braces. So I'll just type in the conversion between the two. So so it's just the conversion between Fahrenheit and Kelvin. I'm a very slow typer, it turns out. Okay, so there we go. And then finally you need the return value, which is Kelvin here. So in R you don't necessarily need to type the return bit there. It'll just return the last calculated value. But it's quite good practice to have that there so that we know what's being returned. Okay, so if you just highlight the code section and run it, and then you can see on this side of the screen we've got a new function called Fahrenheit to Kelvin. So to run that function, let's have a look at, so you type the name of the function and the value you want to convert, so there we go. And you can see in the bottom of the screen you've got the value 273.15. Okay, so the value temp that's given there, okay. Oh dear. Oh, I'll stop recording.